Corpbiz.
A warm welcome to all viewers. Myself Srishti Pandey, and in this video I will discuss about Form MD-3 and Form MD-5. MD here stands for medical device. Strict procedures must be followed in accordance with the rules and guidelines established by the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, that is CDSCO, when manufacturing medical devices. Additionally, candidate must go through a process by submitting an application for a license to sell or distribute medical devices if they want to manufacture Class A or Class B medical devices. Medical devices traded in this way on the market are of high standard and secure. Based on the applicant's location, such applicants must submit an application for consent to the state licensing authority via the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare's online portal. Form MD-3 and MD-5 are used for the purpose of obtaining a manufacturing license. An application in Form MD-3 must be submitted along with the required paperwork, and the approval is in Form MD-5. The state licensing authority regulates the manufacturing license for the sale and distribution of Class A and Class B medical device and in vitro diagnostic kits, that is IVD. The manufacturing business must submit its application to the state control agency whose jurisdiction include the manufacturing facility. When applying for a license to manufacture IVD or MD, the company must submit to the SLA all necessary technical and administrative documents. Let's understand the meaning of Form MD-3 and Form MD-5. Form MD-3 and Form MD-5 are required to obtain permission to manufacture Class A and B medical devices in India. Form MD-3 is an application form for the grant of license to manufacture, sell, distribute Class A and Class B medical device. On the other hand, license MD-5 is the grant of license to manufacture, sell, distribute Class A or Class B medical device by CDSCO after review of all documents and approval of those documents. Moving forward, let's see who is eligible to apply. Form MD-3 and Form MD-5 allow manufacturers to apply for a permit to manufacture Class A or Class B medical devices. Now let's see how should one apply. For the purpose of manufacturing medical devices, a manufacturer needs to submit an application to the state licensing authority using the Form MD-3. Both Form MD-3 and Form MD-5 are used to obtain a license to manufacture medical devices. Additionally, to the Form MD-3, need to submit the items on the required documentation list. Let's see the essential documents required for filing the application. According to the CDSCO, following are among the documents that must accompany the application: device master file, site master file, document related to quality management system. These three are the most important documents that are required to be submitted along with Form MD-3. The following are the other documents which one should submit along with the application form, that is cover letter, application form, challan for the receipt of fees, organizational structure of the company which must include, for example, for partnership deed, memorandum of article of association, declaration of the owners, partners, director and managing director of the company, a complete list of all partners and directors including their ages and full postal and residential area address, document relating to the ownership of the site and a tenancy agreement, plan master file. It must be according to the appendix 1 of part 3 of the 4th schedule. In addition to the information that is required according to appendix 1 of part 3 of 4th schedule, the following documents are also required to be submitted: that is the manufacturing chemist declaration, declaratory statement of the analytical chemist, documents of educational qualification, experience and approval certificate of proposed manufacturing chemist and analytical chemist, appointment letters, ID proof, registration through the district industry center. Then device master file for each individual product. It must be in accordance with the fourth schedules appendix 2 and appendix 3. Then report on the evaluation of performance if it is applicable. Then next, a copy of the driver's license test if applicable. A guarantee that the location where the product is manufactured complies with the requirement outlined in the fifth schedule. Most important, let's see the procedure to follow in order to acquire a manufacturing license for medical devices. Submission of an application for the granting of a manufacturing license. The applicant is required to submit an application in the required format such as MD-3 or MD-4 for a loan license online at the CDSCO portal, which is cdscomdonline.gov.in. In order for a license to be issued on Form MD-5 or as applicable to the medical device rules. The applicant must also submit the necessary fees challan, which can be found in the fee chart under the heading Forms and Fees. Second, the examination of the application. In the event that any deficiencies or inconsistencies are discovered, a query must be submitted. After receiving a response to the query from the applicant, the next step in the process will be taken. In the event that the application is deemed to be in proper order, it will be processed for factory premises, audited by a notified body in accordance with the medical device rules. Audit of the premises of the applicant by a notified body. If there are any violation, the applicant is responsible for making the necessary correction. The notified body is responsible for uploading both the audit report and the notification of closure. After the audit report has been received, it will be reviewed, and if it is determined to be adequate, it will be sent on to further stages. Evaluation of goods and services. The specifics of the product that have been requested will be investigated, and if it is discovered that they are in accordance with the standard, the application will be taken into consideration for granting of license. The issuance of permission. The granting of license is contingent on the fulfillment of all the stipulated requirements. Required paperwork for loan license, Form MD-4, a letter of consent from the primary manufacturing unit in the event that a loan license is required, retail licenses held by the applicant for wholesale license, copies of the product's permission to be sold along with valid manufacturing license for the product in question provided by the principal manufacturer of the product. In the end, I would like to say that Form MD-3 and MD-5 are used to obtain manufacturing license for the intended in vitro diagnostic kit and medical devices which falls under category A and B. Form MD-4 is used to submit an application for loan license along with the prescribed fees. After that, the manufacturing license for Class A and B IVD is obtained using Form MD-3 and Form MD-5, and the loan license is obtained using Form MD-6. That's it in this video. For more video, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.